comments. 2 comments are given to you. And you have to tell whether these statements are positive or normative. So better try to understand. Positive economics will tell you what is. And normative economics will tell you what should be. If I say that, you know what, the repo rate is 4.5%. This is actually there in the economy. मैंने ये सही में data है कि repo rate इतना है economy का. So when I tell you that the repo rate is 4.5%, it is the actual data. So therefore, it is positive economics. But when I tell you that the repo rate should be less than 5%. Now I am telling you कि होना क्या चाहिए. What should happen in an economy? कैसा होना चाहिए? So I am telling you repo rate should be less than 5%. Repo rate 5% से कम होना चाहिए. So that becomes normative economics. So normative is when you tell what should be, क्या होना चाहिए. And positive is when you tell कि actual में क्या है, what is. Huh? Okay, beta. Now let's read these statements. The burden of tax should be. Should be मतलब क्या होना चाहिए. Should be shifted more to higher earners. तो ये हम एक suggestion दे रहे हैं. We are giving a suggestion that the burden of tax should be shifted. Burden of tax को shift करो. किस पे shift करो? High earners पे. जो ज्यादा कमाते हैं उनको ज्यादा tax देना चाहिए. Should be means what should be done, and it says that it should be shifted to high earners. So the correct answer of this one should be that it is normative. But a normative comes from the word norm. Norm का मतलब होता है कि क्या होना चाहिए. What are things that should be happening? Read the second statement. It is in public interest that key services are nationalized. पब्लिक इंटरेस्ट में है कि की सर्विसेज को नेशनलाइज किया जाए, हर जगह प्रोवाइड किया जाए, गवर्नमेंट के अंदर लेके आया जाए. तो ये पब्लिक इंटरेस्ट में है. इट इज इन पब्लिक इंटरेस्ट. बट इज इट हैपनिंग? ना, हमें नहीं पता. क्या सारी की सर्विसेज नेशनलाइज्ड हैं? वी डोंट नो. सो ये एक स्टेटमेंट है जो फिर से बता रहा है व्हाट शुड हैपन, कि लोगों के इंटरेस्ट में है कि हमें पब्लिक सर्विसेज को नेशनलाइज करना है. इट इज इन द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ द पीपल. Whether this is happening or not, real mein, we don't know. So again, beta, this is normative economics. So both the statements are normative, and hence the correct answer to this question should be A. Okay, beta. Thank you.